Hi, my name is Dr. Jeffrey Peretz with Resurgens Orthopaedics here in Atlanta. I'm a fellowship-trained total joint surgeon. I've been in practice for about 11 years since fellowship, and my specialties are hip and knee replacement. Recently, I've begun doing robotic knee replacement using this robot here, which has been a great addition to my practice. One of my goals is, as an orthopedic surgeon specializing in joint replacement, is to return people to their active lifestyles. I think everybody has different levels of activity that they're interested in doing, and I think that's one of the really gratifying things in my practice, is to get people back to the activities that they enjoy doing through total knee and total hip replacement.